Marketing here. I'm not marketing one. A businessman for the music. Yes, switch about social media in our movement. I can't be it's a producers will be at TV. Sebi, here baby. I'm about rap and you producers more pa. Na ye nim say we no ye can producers are or mooding the bubble first. Now you be the crap on no. Producers no more back. Whip up no. We persuade the idea, Baba. We persuade the idea, we persuade the idea. You who dear, ye picking idea. Every a way, dear, ye come out and say, ye did too much ever wine. And now say, I'm finished side, I'm going to push it.
Welcome to Paulino Multimedia. My name still remains Armstrong Paulino. At this, and our first time around, subscribe and click the notifications and every anytime you drop in a video behind, you get it straight. And then, my neck happy papa pan everything come
International.
And then, as a man who need. Hey, Papa!
Hey, international. Paulino one.
Papa. Oh, hairstyle.
Ah, dear, my no.
Yeah,
said you won't pay me.
I never say.
Says in the traffic, dear, my no.
Well, guy, say
I'm my fresh. Now, my money fresh from his
I'm from.
Oh, yeah.
What's a try, sir?
Baby, oh, Holland.
Now, Empress, you want to say?
Yamiadum Empress B is in the Yamiadum or trending crack.
I have found or no artists any Empress V. Why only Empress V? No, Empress V in a bar, Paulino Multimedia. Paulino didn't go interview now. I say almost Paulino didn't say, so baby, now, and you know, Empress V, the manager, and copy.
Papa,
it's what you say, manager, but Juma. Because you say, what is with me at trend?
Na odo artist be ba no be the salvation anya bad Paulino one
today I say bring back Kumo then e koso
yeah papa actually
any agenda no me boa
yeah bring back GH movies you say no
any
hashtag na you say no ye dey kono boy ahomodin bi ase kwan bi ebe fa so a movies the amount for pay you say no be so ni TV or
kwa pay international movies and music
it's what I say papa intini so ye boy ahomodin bi ase be kan ne ma bom ne market no ebe ye say be anytime you betime produce movies no abamo
okay enti enyama gu akwan
papa serious
you know say serious so be ye adwuma gidigidi
papa
Colombia also say my breaking
nyamia daroma ya break Monday and ya break.
Okay. Yes. Me Matilda Asare ko din komo na
that's right.
Say Colombia also with UTV.
Yeah, with UTV every Saturday 7 p.m.
And also a series in the zoo.
Yeah, with UTV. And so Wednesday also.
Okay. And I say
that's right.
Say you series in if you are the whole Ghana. The series in the best series. See if you are series I can obi ankoda okay I for me person be say me can be maybe I no do or how we interview but interview no or Paulino Multimedia ya betimi ahwe and you say ebia me pebi for it's good to have competition what I say I love the agenda say there is competition coming on over the years na kwese tembia we na dey drive when there is competition I will be coming out with the best what I say in the school kwa yes we worry na kuma ka say I for how ni me Kumasi Academy won say if you na need a notice board.
That's right.
If you walk around Sanka report, no notice board.
Papa.
It's what you do at school now, guy. I want you walk on say warrior now.
Now one way.
It's me nipa me chairman we UK Nana Kelly. Na power on no also ko genius and oba business.
That's right.
It's oba business no. We di be 9th. Kuma kaso di from 1st to 20th, Obama so I
say what been I've been to some
and what did be 9th? But you call her genius or no? Yet Nana Kilari Rabia, Nana Kilari Rabia. You call her genius or so one exams so when you did.
Okay.
PSA or genius no worry.
Oh,
next one exams so when you find so one naira. She into the Chilumba was a business I would be 9 from.
Wow. And you
and competition there. A bummer, you who bum nurse. Ama game night time. To see and the abeding. Or camera quality, wakakope camera papa no wapedi obi papa me na twa nine shots side so
papa.
It's good to entertain competition in our industry.
That's right.
And the Polino multimedia only open the attempt said then you be entertaining competition into competition na ba na say Matilda sorry
that's right
say okay say no kind
Baby, any plan of a trendy beer, and I accepted. No, we should accept beer, but difference. I was like to me, now make a see so say, or that's the knee is one of the best series in Ghana so far. On Tiasia, found Coco War.
And the other series in
other series, no who are much.
And we are some of the 2 years, other series. You one condemning Obia series.
Yeah.
It's one of the best.
Yes.
Now since the other series not so home my trouble.
Oh, yeah, papa.
Okasa with confidence.
That's
Jejuma oyeden. Edi. Nti muso Colombia series the same platform so na mo ko challenge you. Muso mo be come on asem say.
Any ahwefo ankasa ebe jeje.
Okay.
So what I say. So mo modern no mo hwe UTV. Na ba Columbia House so dia bra panyini and they forget it. Comedy room, education room, and information na ye dey ma hwefo no e great.
Okay.
What I say, enema e ku twi.
Okay, so movie used to entertain, to inform and to educate.
Masa bibia bi wo. And purposely, you know, Columbia House ni e comedy. You know, say Saturdays and weekdays and I'm for year I want break, be ma kwa year break. And after news so ya kasa ni bebre okay so time no ye comedy but a man for the release stress na afi nso no omutimi sua ade ewom nti ente say enema na yasese ibinima kogun wura mu na tete enema na omoye what I say nti ono kasa eno ye best what I say anema na twam you see, the was a funny I was in the idea. Treneno, a young son, no matter some answer. What I say, and you have any acquisition, where you 1 hour she and ocean tomago. 1 hour she and was I says, animal sanko fat. A trim, Massa, Mommy, you say trim with trim. And Wintina, Osha, telenovela, I take you over the whole world. What I say, almost share current situation. No, my so there. Now we say no, your boys I what. I also to meet you on na adwene. E de ba nti omo normal life no. Now they are more now they are shame near ko. Ya hu so amba. Ya na nanom we mfaso bi amana. Esi ekwe no mo se yensan ko fa nko ye. Ne nko ye de.
Obi ye tete.
Esi update even social media ne me ko so. Every anytime you see update you call your name yensan call your
say na WhatsApp say enche nkofo bebre say mom use phones are any sort of am say 1st November update na eba so phone
enya papa enche
intimi update
update
including iPhone 6
yes you go when out
tabo udimpesika go 13
papa
yes our phone na she but we no Polino multimedia pen dey betimi am exclusive we o nti mama ma tip bi so iPhone 6 ahun enya ma say ene da ben ene ye 7th October
that's right
gabo nkakra obetimi do phone na to say wo twa betime twa ne je fa hye obi ani na opa bi asoso de akoto de wo soro nti bonza phone na mra na nipa na ye ne ka ana wa bawa manka ni ekra
ai bolu no dia sembe ba o dia sembe
ya so nti o say upgrade here
yo anytime so what I say o hwe amount for enema e wo so no na o de bi aye den aka ho na ye koye nim what I say na tete de na ye hu okay what I say update here
okay nti Columbia House I was there to witness the shoot in
awesome
what can be say education ni we wom characters be ni woman enkofo hwe o mani Columbia House
Biggie
hotel some penim na me wo
papa yes some penim na
I for hotel the new name no some penny na men wo ujema ashegu wenjema ateka
that's right papa say we feel me so me feel who for pay
nti no
so some penny wo enti ono so na sebi ni fie
okay
and a Columbia house no
okay
e fie ono ni fie
okay
but no of fie so far there awija there but so far there nyan shoes there no of fie
okay
what I say and a few ono ba and wa best san emra na ewu fie ho nyina
okay
edan ne de ne bu afu
okay
one there woman 40 years 40 million 10 years
okay 10 years
into check your month be about 33 cedis what am I say now betena fie ho a emunyoma na ewo ho no
ebemuotu
echen se wako han flat ewo Trazaco ana East Legon utonsu fie ho uni kwan se okutonsu ewo outside etonsu fie ho obeja na wo fie ho your ton provisions ewo fie ho ni na so ne boden na just imagine you ento wa bonten just imagine say o co private na yesitu ya 3 cities enti bra uyem unyame amasa na minia uyem kawa na ese dey no betu 3 cities o ko be 5 times na ese wodam
bebre
wada say ensuo so anytime ya especially ma utimi jare 2 times a day eno nso price 2 cities
ma baby on jare once then
and they say ni ajiwa wa hu enti eno nso betia ade ase enti enema wo fie ho no minia ena ena private no so me na mete private na sebi ohwe British burger
okay
Scotland papa me free Scotland ma ban me tram skirt now ohwe Scotland se no musi dressy what I say my dress now ohwe me tiri se me sia ada me tiri white ni my body say na ohwe me china mu pa na about 7 so a na me bie toilet no
okay
it is a count be 6:30 and this ugina e count 6 o'clock this is just a count 5 o'clock and at 2 o'clock this ugina ho saa man bo 7:30 and na unsu ntimi enko outside enko ja na emma because gate no ya lock no
nkwa na gate key
me nkwa am gate key no me bie toilet na mko bie gate ansa na watimi ayi akọ o ba nso amra no ye nka nkyere wansa wo be han dan ni wie a
na wa be dio
ne ama paper no wo san wie na ya kyere omra no nti se paper no wan hwe so ye na de wonim se f nti ni dodo na wo han dan
nti e wo se wo kan
de wom
nti ebie engofo ani se wo ko han dan
wo ko han dan kan wo se amanfo kan agreement no answer de ma ya pepe is a dozen yem so no ye ni atini ntino a ebe se ye bu
ye so person de bibi hata
bibinia fashe nkratem uhwe Columbia house na obete nyama bebere ase odo ye comedy but ye educative say nyama bi we se omo ani da ho na wo kinkan na wo ti ase wo nti ase fama lawyer fama obi no nkan ma na make sure say what ti ase ansa na wasan
okay
ye de ya ye ni bebere ya twere brofo na kese bebere nti se one kind na wo san a e na wo ba nso mi gina wo so so otimi ye san wa hunya ga so no wo pese okorudi mu a ansa na ye ma omre ansa na ade aba e de wo san ma me ana me de akoma we nti na mra no ai de adiu na
wo de kokko craze one
na ade nyankopon okay nti sa na ete ewo fie wo na ewo slay queens for ho enema sebi slay queens for no eye ewo social media ankrofo bi tie kira omutimi ko ho ntokwa krofo bi tie kira omunim se na omusi hunu no saa na ede etie ni nyina ya showcase ni nyina ewo Columbia house ma wo hwa wani baji bruta
every Saturday
bia 7 p.m. after news strictly comedy and like
comedy with education
what I say papa
okay bigger question
bigger quiz na yeti ani say ensem na ekokọ so no bi wo ha one thing is say the dan ma wa ye ntu da
okay
na emum wa wo pese utu a obetumi tu be sika ne de onsan de enka ahye
okay so imagine say what you be at 4,000 now what the bear boss which means me feel comfortable
because we sika na 4,000 na we tu and within 2 weeks so
okay
4,000 we say tu ma 2 weeks
2 weeks okay
what I say ne bo me say ne bo niam na wo fie na ototo ne bo e den ntimi nko outside
okay
what I say o huru wo ne santi we fane o e be hye
okay
chairman nti ya yes I been wo ha mmerefi no mo atu
okay
na bigger quest ba ye no ono oba say businessman and ono oba han nti ono kra ne de ye di bonitrim
okay
no so any problem and ono kra ye san e kan tam kra say den e di gu so what as say ni si e bunu no nti si ye nya nsem yankenkan ma anto na adwunum say ye because ye nim say e dan ya obetu si ye nim so o ye nim so ye comfort
munim so ye comfort I know ye comfort
when ye comfort and oba is as a businessman after dey ha di ma akwai e ba ya yes sir no pa say obi na de ne poster ababo gate ya no de snap ni nkosua abenkoi we dey just imagine person make story no mo say
nyamawo
na ye bo amanfo ko say hwan e na edi sa adwuma we
okay
yenim ena aja wonim Colombia commander ni abufuo ekotete ade no bra panyi ensem bibiri e de akiri
ni nyina wo UTV
nyina wo UTV
Saturday 7 p.m.
me nada anu entene
kuma wodim good
masa me se konfo no be take over o fie o tia light be tia water be nti ono no be ye fiura na nema esisi ye no ene yeso ye fun strategy bi a ye betimi e de aye no ama abre nase ni ye nso a emfa no no so eye bi ni yeso ye ni bi na take for tack we see na oba no bi wo ha ye e de amemre fie atu no no akofa ge no abetena no ho Ibrahim say when you say okache nti eye very interesting pa
nti no be say me figure out something that's right you hu say bigger quiz poster be trending is it a Colombia series
Colombia series and Colombia house series no eno ho poster eno mu ya omo nim say agrada na any man na say no onu mu
because we say go for we post this
yeah one day
for Colombia series
na
it's a series na dika trend
that trend me na down
because series now so na Paulino multimedia for be fans am call
papa na radio stations TV stations for mobile one so bebre and interviews bebre akoso yet setting so no poster ni nya ba na course no PM no number na da so nti no
okay PM number
na da poster so nti course ni basa oho na be hu se bra
na mambo
amanfo hia mo apa
amanfo hia mo
bra ensem obi wo se ai oba amaboa no pa ese no se ai mi yo bia nti waja me nti wo pese je ni bibi
na ayo
oba na ho
na bigger quiz
na onko ne moa omwa no nsensem bibiri obi wo ho adwuma mu issue opeso ye panyini chale enema amanfo ye enema ene ebinum so challenges a omo akokogukom obinum so akọ prison ni ade prison fo yin afre tim say enye so onye hwe ye na akoto prison tin
na se nka mu bom 3% nka mu bubu nkofa
akasa week ne grandpa no akasika ye benya no because we also why crowd say registration what do you yanka no sika bia ye moma no no do ntua no mra nti me ni na enye say bi obi foforo number na ye to so na enye PM no PM ni ye good ko betima aja manfo sika bebre obeji amanfo even crowd no ye crowd person o manfo crowd ba set no so Colombia house na na bra na ho tonkosua na to akokọ iti ebinu di nkokọ omo de bai omo di nkokọ
nti Colombia house ala bo hu omo mbeso omo ye wo ebi obi ye o ba oni ba he Colombia house
yes
mini player me ne woni wa
nana ho what does say eyi eba no sa no ye kofa eyi police ni kura so ye de o mechi nana ti ono ba ye na oba pie bra ni obehu de ebeto Any ya you do court I say or buy a son customer. Any Jimmy Free. Intino a comedy, but a foot baby, so papa.
You never heard Columbia House. YouTube.
I am yard next week. Okay. Next week Thursdays. Every Thursday be at 4 o'clock. You better.
4 p.m.
4 p.m. Ghana time.
Okay.
4 p.m. You better. Kwapia comedy. Kwapia ne QUAPPIH. Columbia House. Ne be Columbia House original because you were other ones be a even when me storyline me nyan be 3 years ago. Inti me twa ho short comedy video kakra to na se na man for request na brochi for nsem to aso ena ma me nya I say okay ma me na me fan to TV na me san fa meto we inti no Columbia House original part 1 part 2 ya be from next week Thursday no any date yes and 7th until 14th
okay
until next week exactly 4 p.m. sharp anytime be our connect down
4 p.m. sharp.
Kwapia near QUAPPIH.
Okay.
Near KWA no. QUAPPIH. Now the comedy na so. Ya obo Kwapia no YouTube nkwa QUA no kra no be yaba. Papa.
Okay. Nti ye kan na say obeso enjoy Columbia House I also subscribe.
Yes. Na yeah papa na ye ma me so ewom Christian Wuni. Na Christian Wuni nso mo so wo mo line mo de mo ni Columbia House wo.
Okay.
Omo nso de no ashawo line.
Okay.
Won say ne maame no premani. No ashawo bra no obo. E no pese ne ba panyin no Empress V musician no.
De
obey interview na oye yi no.
Manya hempacho heso kawasa.
Ono ne ba no pese o initiate ne ba no enko ashawo no mu. Obese ne ba no so arabata nso ene ninu akotoa Empress V ninu akotoa be ninu akotoa ne de wa fa ne maame suban sa ala na ope nti ono de hardcore no tonton eniema nu monene eniema nti one hardcore for no ne de etali ena we no so I word ope kwan bi a obeye nti ono no ye Empress V ne ye shoemaker shoe shine girl no bo no homoden mema ono nso no nso shape ni we mema approach ni ade a bet o fi wo mo bo modern so bo no homoden na wa ye adwuma na o de aye demo na o de akwanti eno so hwe a musicians niema omufom ansa obenwu so obi a star na niema ofom no na enye ize
na interview akwa ma wa producer wa de nsa akwahye
ni na de what I say nti no wo hwe a dope niema ekoso everyday life
okay
and edi room papa
okay me ma me kasa anya tenten subscribe to Kwapia Comedy QUAPPIAH. Now the comedy also YouTube. You also subscribe here every Thursday. And then okay, you try interview Thursday. Until now watching every Thursday 7 p.m. our Ghana time.
Papa.
On connect that was sharp.
Columbia House.
Original. San Ombe no na wahe. And some maybe because you come.
That's right.
What TV?
BBT said then. Paulino. Rebo mo.
O say
some na mo.
Okay, say okay, ye things but nsem ni na de ba bonten but nyoma ye focus on say.
That's right.
Paulino multimedia crew ni nyina. Ye say ye pese Kumawood. Dan nkofo ano.
That's right.
Nkofo mfi say Kumawood sini a Ghana fo nyina ye de ebegitum ti say akofo ma ye say affair
enye Kumawood
Ghana movies but
Kumawood ne de
AOB brand
and they are one ye nyimfi ho kra
nti Ghana movies no
eno kra de moaye
okay Ghana movies no said the Ghana for ebe pay ye no ya fa to you say ye man no nye den enhye
that's right
nti ye be pagem and say ye be bo hu de rama
that's right
but ye bo hu de rama for say no ye mum ne susu jagum say we see we ni we nka we see competition wa ha a competition ne de yeah endorse Pauline Morton.
Oh,
was very good. Many senior I used to go and say without competition game but any can say fiscal assault
and to Kwani yeah
said Frank Narrow so director Oti or
Bobono watching so Bobono swamp. Say Miss watching so it's on once in a director Columbia House.
Nah, Frank Narrow beats me on director.
And say you do what? And so be able to coach now. So far as I'm in, I am a man there. Mammy and Shane.
So honest, I said the director Oti me patch. While me pa actors nature was no china or babon. I say director Oti Akoka say I am actors no
yeah.
Na mo ya homa so enti na adwuma na eguye no. And on what you say director no e will power over actor. Enti said actor bi aya homa so a kire na so oka say ebia actor A na actor B
yeah
na ya homa so e mane famfra obia nti so wa me pa sa a chew no bia o china obabu
okay
what you say okay nti you support this on me pa chew
minyantie mu wona wo
na maka na maka
so me pa chew so no or your director experience ono no wanya no e na waka
nti wo ma ho so nti the ball Frank Narrow kra na say o say adenti na director o ti say mo ya homa so no adenti na wa fa wo ene bigger quiz ni hotel ene ma system o de mo ye adwuma abra mo na magu industry nti wo esa so ana so o nya atwo
okay
nti o ti Frank ase
yeah Frank de no Matias na we no so no ono so director no so de no so Matias
na so why ahoma so a director o ti
menye bi da
nti ade na wate ne
menye bi da say e bia ono no ka artist no bi
okay
wanka say
okay
artist ni na
nti no na Frank Narrow say isi da so baba be kan ye say artist ni bi
so ka say e bia artist no ni na omo ya ahoma so de and I think say one can ye
okay
others because enye nyina na ya ahoma so
okay
what must say ebinum eye na de no kran so ebinum ye but ebinum enye what does into we so otimi ka say ebinum ya ahoma so
okay
o kan sa bet o ka say obia ya ahoma so de ya bi say ntwayi and at times so no say o de nkate achi wonum na ba ko apro ma aye de
say ni na
so apro sa na nsu ukosa nsu egu glass na o de efin kutu ebi se so guma enso ne de
enso fin
enti no obi a kire na
okay we am panyimfo adwene pa o so kind of no ha twa o twa papa
Allah Paulino wa
papa
Allah me dia agro o de meto asemu wallahi tala yonko enu Allah Paulino wa
I for subscribe to Gapia Comedy.
That's
na Columbia series. I mean, I can't watch me break. Me say me can and say me break na say akwai say Paulino.
Be na questions no dey ba say
kuma would hu nsem ya kan wi. Say ne pe anu pomasibre. Nti o wadwen kire say then ya industry no betimi a bounce back.
Yeah. When say na medical can fit as no amount for the open movie no. But your market na say
okay.
The kwan be fa so a your market na be ba back. Na yes wentwu we no to ntwa.
Me na miracle film say kasa I say here one app I be a buying be endorse and as a buying be kasa okay. If you na ko bi atwa movie a on fa the movie mra ha say ni promote sa app no. Na eno na your market I was say focus. One na ya adwen.
Emene ne ya adwene be se mpanfo mo adi akira kosi
also mo so push
on be push ya ene ne problem no ene ye problem on start o ka bisa ni ya on start push ye kura no emre seni
okay
me hu ye kura be 3 years ago kura no o me yi na akọ minister no creative art na oba no na wo so am say 4 years o say we yakọ Apo asemi ya no dokoto ne ma Brown, Salinko, Bigger Quiz, na stars no more. Yako ma we dey no. Nkwesi aga. Nti no won panfo no kwan be fa so a market ne hia. Amanfo aye crowd so medium sika e.
Sika ni wo crowd see time na say
yes. Time na market wo no. businessmen for the musical beshi na no any ho no me na afio ekoye phones ni other business what I say enya market na sine adwuma na de amanfo I willing say twa you say emunya kura say yetwa what I say you gusu every week bi ya obi was set so ayetwa matter de twa lewin etwa we minsu me twa ada amanfo bi etwa what I say ti market ni de ehia market no eba me just say me sure say amanfo bibre one MP business ewo ho na obi adi nsika shima onya na back na no do sika shima onya na back
nti sere na wo say sere aban so on fa no njim na and I say the key stakeholders na wo say mo nyina mo ye adwen baako na ye create sa happen
yes eno na ye big problem ye producers no enhu what I say 5 pack na nka mfaso a ka ebenya wo mo so no what man say mfaso pa nka sine adwuma no benya wo mo so no eno sa de no because yes switch about social media yina omuhu amangaze obi anti wo beka say well obi ehu but obi ayi nani because me dem mfa ho my obi no but e kan yi akan obi a say producers obi atifi omo ntimi enya ada business so omo titifi a say bi ehia bebre mobo bra panyu hu producers mo pa na yenim say wenum no omo no ye kan producers a omo din ne bebo first na de omo di kurapo no dene mo what man say but an ko mutimi ehweye schedule niam yi etoto niam yi ankaba now still obi enjoy yeah obi adwene no ho obi me de me nyan mepe de me nyan pete obi anwene future no de besi
okay into young polynomial multimedia I found you say the future we are still looking for it yen try say yen tena ho man en shingo any means and ways be I so betimi e de a fight say baby ano ye go so because ye dey fit can app as a match ya analysis baby or ha say ya kan yoma baby say you only need a platform ye nyina e beji atum say platform we and ye dey movies be there
what man say
and see say aban ana say aban panyimfo bi ana say obi aye adwuma wa aban mu na o creative arts ana say o de obese on mo akuma hu da na say the Ghana film industry na say ho yes remo mumie mo apunu mai na
sir
ye ne mo matwetwe nkomo
because
aban no so be benefit you
aban ne de ati bra panyi aban no onso ono so meka nso oye business ye meka nso oye businessman
na me inti na me
wo de ade betu na nim obehwe say okay ade no eye good ode no ho hyemu a obenya bibia fima why not but ban o de ni producers no mo nye baako
okay
mo amo ko forward no we pese ode ne de yeko we pese ode ne de yeko we
nti akwese be aye bebre wa aban
ade ewo mu no
okay
we up no we pese ode ne de ye baba we pese ode ne de ye ba we pese ode ne de ye ba ana ye hu de ye peke ne de ebia we de na ye kama ye nim se ye ditum a ebeboa ye no enam se amfi ni side amantu mpushi nti nkambo mu no ene enni ho ene na emeye bre aban de wa ye ready wa krado say mo de batu nanim okay say na ye
ya adwen say we na pese mo
that's all the aban hwe ano no onye discovery man why not obeboa but when we dey no ade amomo de ba no we say emoa on support
akoye aban akoye info bebre ne
efi mpanfo na omo wo ho no omo nka omo adwene mom
no omo nto aba
no omo hwe kon be fa so a ebe adan that obi I say obi na me ba panyin me ye say enne ye ne o omo aye omo ba out be ye say omo anso na ye problem omo a ye mpanyifo na ye problem so me na timi ye ba ko aban be je atum aban de wa ye krado chairman aban ya krado
okay and see the best run say unity
na sika aban krado man ye hu che aban kra sika o de ama no sika no kra untimi nche sika no
untimi nche
se sika na aban kra de ama no aso ko na nyama kra aban kra de ama no o muntimi enche sika no kra ma producers what I say
aso for
aban kra ma sika no kra no na
say you see ebisu onya 50 cedis
onya 50 cedis onya 50 cedis o do produce nti yes ohun baby a problem no
free
what man say
Okay, I think it's a very.
That we are buying more. Sika say okay. We won't children no. You who challenge and crowd free a cum. Intino. Yet it is can be say Eddie Amam. Ono kwa sika no sika was see nyano. Who get kutu ebi krampo no. No problem no. Now bind the amount say check. Now bind him say okay. We be nya 100 Ghana. Now aban better no. Na say we nya 2 cities ah. Enti aban be there. Obeyi nani. But aban hu say sika no de ba emfa so. Ede mfa so die bi bre amanfo na. Why no so?
Na adenti kra na e was say e sika moche. Say was e sika e investment for the industry. See e ka say here app ebi sika. Ye be hia server e sika. Nti adenti na sense ka no. Ye ntimi mboa no na ye build ya instead of say ye twen aban kra nim no. Ye boa say sika na no na ye the build the platform a. Ebe boa ya.
Sika kra ye wo wa aban mu a e wo say ye gi kra na enye aso kra. Ewo ho eso wo say timi de boy industry no but yintimi nye baako fight for enji sa skani na what man say ubia ye no ho leader what man say mena ene ne problem no bra pan ene ne problem obi mpese obebre ne ho ase ahye obi ase ama yenya de wo si yenya
and then so be benefit.
Benefit will be. Yeah, this are no mean I could go with an befa. Till the uncles one in
all right, copy a casa coming with them.
Ah, yeah, you can see a bob bona body and quack of fancy maybe that.
Say, dear, he say, being young couple, night, fight it together. Say, yeah, the Ghana film industry no ever bounce back giddy because I may anyone or another entertaining from your more frame. I de enyini akra bi so ba ono so betimi abaye great personality we movie industry ni ma e bia ye obusuani what you say nti say enyina ya amoa ama industry na bounce back I mean enkra ne ba ha ombebo yeso yechi what you say nti na yen ya fa to yon say ya no endru ba bia de but kakra yeso ye betimi aye no ye beka na order we say ebem na ye den abem that's our focus. Agenda is we must make sure so the movie industry works. And see, I know any focus. Midini Armstrong Polino are there. Copy or final words.
We say for the American is a Madaroma, Senesi Kayana, Columbia House, Abidja, ye first episode, this week be second episode. They didn't need about the good Quapia comedy, QUAPPIH, Quapia comedy, Okowa, na wash now the comment so at was Senebea. BBA ni ade otwa san o se ye se onim se ne chi achia ne mabu anama tentene ye na yetimi aye niye e de amam na eno so etimi aboa ye na anytime bia yetimi produce ama ho aye den ahwe bi me de obi bia ase me da me fans for yi na ase na obi a o support Columbia House actors obi a oba ye bia Nyankopon enhiro bia na Nyankopon so nhira Father Dixon, Papa.
I'm sure
despite group
Father Dixon and despite group of companies.
That's right.
Media Armstrong Polino there. Now make catch us a higher Polino multimedia. Subscribe. Now click your bell notifications and anytime we drop in interview and you get it straight. Call Polino_call me on Instagram. Nico follow. TikTok say about and also your Polino_call.
Behind down.
Yeah, behind down. Yeah,
and I
think I just sing you.
Mene commander beba.
Yati.
Babaji flat one
now on conference.
Yes.
Yes, something.
But you mean say then be up at the top one. I'm not doing it. See be a babaji.
Patch on family.